There's nothing like starting off a video and your GoPro is acting up. That's right, mine is. 3 weeks to a month ago, I was at a place outside of Rising Sun, and we was stopped by some ice and cold weather. Do you remember that place? Well, we're back here again. I said I won't be back here till spring, but you know what? I'm back here. That's right. So I really won't do any recording until we get on past the point where we stopped. This time we're going to venture back that way. Can you see where I'm pointing? That way? All right, guys, let's show you a little bit of the way in. And then we'll get some beauty shots, and we'll probably do more talking on this video than beauty. Then again, I don't know. Let's get started. It was approximately from this point, behind me was a sheet of ice. We could have went around it that day, but was like we probably hit a lot more. So what we did was we backtracked back and took another trail, which went down to that small pond. So now we're gonna go beyond this point and see what we can see. Let's get a little bit more beauty, and once we get further into it, we'll do some talking. Did I forget to mention it's really muddy? I stopped here to do a beauty shot and my right foot is sinking into the mud. I am literally sinking down into the mud. Look at this. It's still going. If I put any weight on it, it's going to go further. Ah. Okay, we're at a hill part, and the problem with this is it's very muddy. So we're going to try to make it up this hill and go from there. So I definitely won't be able to record. And again, I might be able to record when we're going up. And just be dang careful. Should you want to walk in front of me, hon? In case you fall, that way I can catch you? No. She's like, no. Oh, I'm going to be the one falling. But we're going to go up to the hill. I'm thinking it's going to swing around. But my gosh, look at my beauty. Look at this. I said it last time, this is a true hidden gem. All right, let's get to the top. I'm not gonna do any recording until we get to the top unless there's some absolutely downright beauty. But let's see if I can make it. Let's see if we can make it. It's very muddy. Okay, I made it up the hill actually with very little problems. I'm still sliding. We're trying to figure out where the trails go. They're not really marked well. But my God, in a way this reminds me of Rochelle State Park, because as far as I can see, it's forest. My God, there's a beautiful tree up here. I'll probably get that on here in a minute. Right. But guys, yeah, it's going up to another hill. So I don't know, maybe we'll take the other trail unless we see how slippery this one is. But guys, it's almost that time to shave my beard back down to the goatee. See, I'm not joking about the mud we're walking through. Look at this. I'm not joking at all. Look at that stuff. And how in the heck is your shoes more cleaner than mine?
Because I didn't walk through the middle. I walked through the side.
Oh.
Where there's not as much.
So I'm the idiot that walked through the middle, huh?
You like the mud.
Do I? Not gonna put no music to this, but look at how beautiful these trees are. Oh my gosh, and this one right here in front of me. Oh, it's dead, but it's a beautiful dead tree. Wow, look at that. Now, Angie thinks we keep following this trail, we might end at somebody's property. I don't think we will. But just to be on the safe side, we're going to backtrack down, what would you say, about half a mile. Then we go down another trail, and that should lead into another trail that would take you to that little pond. And we got to get some maps on where this goes, because I don't think that will. Okay, this goes right up the hill. Let me go up a little bit further. And I'm thinking this will swing right back around. But Angie's thinking this may be somebody's property, because where we got out of the car at, right up the hill from there, it said no trespassing, private property. I don't know. Well, we hear gunshots. We know we went too far. All right. Well, we go right up yonder there. That just flattens out a little bit. Or do you just want to go ahead and backtrack on down that way?
Up to you, dear.
I say let's be brave. Go up that way.
Okay, dear.
Let's be brave. Don't know if I'm going to be able to make it up this hill, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, second thought, maybe we should go your way. It ain't dry enough to do. Head it down. Now, it's harder to go down for me than up, because I got to make sure I don't fall and bust my butt. And by the way, my shoes each weigh about 10 pounds heavier. Hey, Angie, maybe she walk in front. No. All right, guys, we're going to probably put a little bit more beauty. When I get back, we're going to talk a little bit more about the winter beard down to the summer beard, and maybe a couple other things. Possibly dead end, guys, because we have flooding going on, and it looks like the creek is covering the trail. We're gonna walk down a few steps more and see if it is, but kind of looks like it might be. That means we backtrack back up this hill again and go to the left. But look at this beauty right here. Oh my Lord, have mercy. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It almost looks like there's a trail go over that way, going up the side of that hill. We may have to check that out one day. All right, the road is definitely underwater, so we're gonna backtrack up and make a left and go that way and get some beauty. Or talk. I haven't made my mind up yet. Okay, I made it to the crossroads. We're gonna wait for Ange. But yeah, it's almost time to go back down to the summer beard. In case you guys don't know, that means I shave off this, and obviously I keep that. Whew. How you feeling? Yeah, had a little bit of a hike up that hill. It's enough to tucker anybody out. Let's head on once you get your breath. You okay?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to head on down that way and see what we can see. Some of the beauty shots Stormy has done excellent so far. Of course, I stopped and on most of them and got them, but this last one, she was kind of pulling a little bit on me. But yeah, speaking of going back to the summertime beard, which is time for it, it's almost time to get ready to do some fishing, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at this as I walk by. So beautiful. But yeah, it's almost time to, I gotta restring my fishing poles. I'm gonna buy me another fishing chair and camping chair, which is be the same thing. But yeah, next weekend, we may hit temperature 65 degrees, guys. So basically this week right here, well, the week coming up, I'm gonna go ahead and get some string. Don't know what to use exactly. I used the spider wire last year. It did okay. I may try something different this year. The spider wire is really hard to see. I might try something different this year, don't know. I had 3 pulls of string, Now I gotta make sure, see what we got for bait. Well, not bait, sorry. I was watching the birds in front of me to make sure, see what we got for hooks, sinkers, and bobbers for ends and whatnots. My God. Oh, let me turn around here. Listen to this. Now they stop. Oh, there they go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Spring is in the air, guys. Oh, you can smell it. Okay, I'm still walking through the mud. I'm asking Angie which way would she go to try to stay out of the mud, but it doesn't matter. Damage is already done. I tried to get some shots of Stormy. I forgot all about that. I like to get shots of Stormy walking. Some of my friends like to see that. I only got one. So I guess that's good enough for this video. Now, in the title of this video, I'm not going to put the name of this place for two reasons. One, I forgot it, and I'll have to go up here and look again. And number two, I already did a video with the name. So I probably put something a little bit different, and maybe something has to do with the mud, and I don't know. I want to put some kind of nifty name that matches what we went through today. I try to match the title, what we're going through. Oh man, right back here, you see right there. If you look at it from this angle, it almost looks like a big old bear track. But only one problem with that. We do have some bears here in Indiana, but not where we're at least as far as I know.
I hope it's not that big.
If it is a bear and it's that dang big, we might become that bear's lunch. Stormy, I will let you go and let you run. At least you wouldn't be eaten by a bear. Why am I laughing? Because we're going to go to trails, hopefully this summer, that does have bears. I need to find some type of water source to walk through so I clean my shoes off. But I don't think that's going to be possible. Maybe up here would be one. Now at this point right here, let me swing around. Last time we was here, that's the hill we kind of went down to where that little pond was. But if you go down too far, well, if you go down to the bottom, it's underwater. So we came in that way. We're going to exit out that way, and we're almost done.
We're going straight or we're going that way?
Oh, that's the way we came in, sweetheart. Let's go straight. We haven't been on this.
No.
And I say when it's all in all, we went about what? About maybe close to 2 miles? Now, if the other trails were a little bit more passable, we could have went further. So I will hit this again. This time it'll be in summertime, maybe July or August when we're having a dry season, and then I'll be able to hit it on the dirt. All right, guys, let me get to the end and I'll give my closing thoughts. Okay, I guess I'm going to close it out here, guys. I was going to get some footage of the car pulling in. You know, the car getting here, then show the car pulling in, but I'm going to be trying to clean my boots off before I get in my car. Normally, we bring another change of shoes, but I didn't think about that. All right, guys, leave your comments down below. It has been one spectacular hike today. I truly enjoyed it. I enjoyed it more today than I did the last time I was here. Of course, we got a whole bunch more of it this time. And we will revisit this again. This time I will make sure it's dry, because it was awful muddy. Not that I'm complaining, because I kind of like the mud. All right, guys, until next time, come on. Let's get out of here.